When it comes to high-quality draft beer, hygiene and frequent cleaning is a must. Temperature and pressure changes is often a challenge to conventional systems and leads to foamy or even flat beer. Shelf life of the beer is often an issue for smaller outlets and can influence the beer quality. This means that for conventional systems, a keg should be emptied within 5 to 6 days.
FlexiDraft is a revolutionary draft beer system developed by Micro Matic. Its unique disposable single-use beer line means there is no need for line cleaning and maintenance. Once a keg is empty, you simply dispose of the beer line, fit a new one, and you're ready to go. Because you are always working with a brand new beer line, FlexiDraft eliminates hygiene issues, cuts operational costs, and ensures consistent beer quality. The system fits all standard keg interfaces, including key keg. With FlexiDraft, you can extend the lifetime of a broached keg from the usual 5 to 6 days to 30 days, because the single-use line is extremely hygienic and the beer is always kept cold. This makes FlexiDraft the perfect solution for low-turnover specialty beers or outlets with limited draft beer business. The variety of FlexiDraft beer lines and pressure options means the system can even be used for the most demanding draft beers, such as stout, wheat beer, and alcohol-free beer.
FlexiDraft is a unique draft beer system developed by Micro Matic to enable small and medium outlets to serve the perfect pint of beer. FlexiDraft makes it suitable to be installed in new and existing bars. The right pint of beer can be served, for example, in small restaurants, hotel lobby, beaches, events, wherever you want to serve the perfect draft. The concept is available in quite a big range of models. It can be as a standalone and it also can be built into the existing bar. A big variety of lenses and font branding possibilities makes it possible to get the attention of your customers. We all know the reason to order another glass of beer. It's the quality of the first glass. And with FlexiDraft, better beer sells better.
With more than 7,000 installations worldwide, FlexiDraft is already the leading draft beer solution for small and medium outlets.
FlexiDraft for us is a very innovative system, and holding your beer for 30 days, it's the reason why we choose FlexiDraft. FlexiDraft has no hassle system. It's very easy to use. Don't need it to clean. Couldn't be easier. FlexiDraft is open to all K-types and interfaces, and also K-keg. I can recommend FlexiDraft because you don't have beer wastage, and for me the most important thing is that it's very innovative. FlexiDraft means that the beer we serve has a very high and consistent quality.
FlexiDraft actively supports the two biggest selling points of draft beer: freshness and taste, ensuring that the beer you serve keeps your customers coming back for more. Simply because better beer sells better.